Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Michael McNeil and I'm bringing you my best hunts from all over the world. Today we are hunting snow geese and we're hunting a giant wheat field that we've been watching for 4.5 days. This field has slowly been getting bigger and bigger. It started off with 1,500 birds. Now it's all the way up to 12,000 birds. So we waited and waited, and that's a key. If you're in an area and you see birds and you see them in the field and they start growing and growing, sometimes you don't have to hunt them right away. Let them sit. The more comfortable they get, the easier it is to go in, and hopefully being patient will pay off here. So smash that like button, comment below. Have you ever let birds sit in the field a long time? I mean, because it works out pretty good. Make a comment below and let's sit back and make them rain. Let it rain!
Oh, what the freaking long shot. 3 for 3! What the...
Let it rain!
Oh, what the freaking long shot. 3 for 3!
Woo!
Shotgun ripping.
Pretty good. All right, send them.
Send the dogs.
Send them.
Dogs are amped this morning. Dang, that flock was pretty juicy.
That was pretty nice. Bring him here. Back! Nice shot, Cole.
3 for 3. Little catch up on the gun there.
All right. Somebody whack that one on the ground quick. Shoot that one on the ground.
Those are going out there to pick birds. There's so many that the dogs can't even keep up. Boys just ran them.
Everybody come back.
Low and slow. Oh, what a rock. They're balling up. That's the way the wife likes it.
They're balling up.
Oh, baby.
Oh, boy.
Oh, look at that. That makes my dick hard.
Make it rain!
Folded! Oh, reload! Holy moly!
I like that boy!
3 for 3!
Oh
Man!
my God!
Oh my!
Blue!
Look at that. You might actually make me like snow geese hunting.
Yeah, all it takes is one good day of them doing it.
Until they stack up pushing on you.
Oh no, don't.
Oh, they blew them up on us.
It's okay. We still got him. We still got him. Back one. There you go, nice shooting. 4 down there.
How many of them can you shoot? None.
Oh yeah. There we go. Just flipping cat too.
Yep.
Oh yeah. Send that. Go down, yeah! Get him! Oh, right behind it.
Oh,
Good shooting, look at all of them.
Blue!
Oh, baby! I think I killed it 4 times.
Get wavy! Get wavy! Make it rain!
Oh my.
Here, Blue!
I'm gonna help him out now.
Yeah, here, Blue.
There's like 9
Hey,
of them.
hop up and help the dog. Ah! Hey, Boo! More coming to the left. What do you got there?
We got some snow geese.
Look at that! Look at that! Cole Thompson, the great white snow goose hunter.
Look at all the blues, dude. Look at the blues.
Hey, Cal.
Nice.
On the back one.
Flare City.
Look, don't let the dogs go. I'm gonna go grab that one. That's a blue face.
Oh yeah.
Man, you ain't never seen
I've never seen Michael run that fast.
Blueface Rossi's out there.
You little dirty dog.
Blue face! Right here!
He's fired up.
He got good eyes.
Oh my God! Look at that!
Look at that one.
Holy cow,
Look
that
at
is
that.
gorgeous.
Look at that!
That's one of the rarest birds you can shoot, huh?
Yeah.
Holy cow. Let me get in on that.
Not my first rodeo.
That's a beaut.
Got good
Wow.
eyes.
Hell yeah.
That's sick. Let me see that thing.
Blueface Ross! Blueface Ross! Blueface Ross! Right in the middle! Blueface Ross! Don't let the dogs go. I'm gonna go grab that one. That's a blueface. Blueface! Right here! Oh my God! Look at that!
Look at that. Gorgeous.
Look at that!
That's one of the rarest birds you can shoot, huh?
Yeah.
Holy cow. Let me get in on that.
Not my first rodeo.
That's a beaut.
Wow. That's sick. Let me see that thing.
Buck! I pulled up and I seen it. I was like shot and I was like, oh my God. Do not.
Explain what it is.
Okay, so this is a Ross goose. 1 out of every million will be a blue phase. Very rare.
Holy
I've only shot 3 in my life. Very rare.
gosh, that's sick looking.
And you can know it's a blue phase just by the way it is.
The wings are.
Got him!
Dang, I'm dropping them deep, baby. Reload!
Shooting, boys.
Oh!
Hate them.
Going right around it.
Got him! Oh, I got one!
Nice! With the deep shot.
Blue!
Left low spec. He's on light.
Oh, nice one. Woo! Nelly!
I guess it turned out. Nice shot, Cole.
Oh, nice one. Woo! Nelly!
I guess it turned out okay. Get in here.
I don't even like shooting at those, Michael. You're just powdering them. I might have to take me a long dong here in a little bit.
I shot that same bird.
They call me.
See how quick we shot those two?
Yeah. That's that federal black cloud action.
Neil's a quick shooter. Gosh.
Just straight savages today, boys.
Dude, you could have hammered these.
I didn't see him. I was already swinging that way.
Oh my gosh.
We're gonna do these right here. As soon as I turn. Turn in, turn. Turn. All Rossies. Turn in. Make 'em rain! I got two of them deep ones. Oh, you hear the thump.
Oh,
Mark
I'm
it.
going down now.
Mark it. Blue. Blue's got that one.
Is that yours?
Smash that follow button, hit the like button, ring that bell. Got him! Oh, I didn't want to spin around. We got 5. Come on, turn over. Turn over. Get him! That blue's gotta go. They're both going down.
Yeah, that blue's going down.
Come on, there you go.
Yeah, they're both going. Fuckers.
White bird beat down, dude. Piles all over the place. Boys hanging out. Most pretty shooter in the pack. That's how you load them up. Birds for days. Oh yeah, all up in the business.
Wow, wasn't that hunt incredible? We had birds coming in by the thousands, and we got a super special one. I think you'll see in the footage. We got a blue-phased Ross goose. This is the 4th one that I've shot, and you can tell it's not just a blue goose by the short beak with the little wart starting on the front, the dark on the head. These are a pretty rare bird. It used to say 1 in a million. I don't know if that's true or not. You start seeing them a lot more, but people are more educated to what to look for. But the birds came in and I saw it in the flock and I called it out, and we ended up getting it, and it's a beautiful, beautiful bird. We ended up well over 100 birds today. I think we're probably close to 140 birds. We'll post a pile picture up here at the end and you guys can check that out. But has anybody ever shot a blue-phased Ross? What do you think about this bird? I think it's pretty cool. Anybody else out there? You have any questions on this bird? Put it in the comment section below and I'll answer any questions you want to know about blue-phased Ross geese. Thanks for tuning in, and let's make 'em rain.